Look at all those clouds over there that are forming. Look at all that. That is all vertical development. Those clouds are shooting straight up into the air. As I look towards the high desert, there is a lot of cloud development. Look at all this. That just shows how unstable the atmosphere is right now. North of Victorville, south of Barstow, we have a strong line of thunderstorms. And it stretches for a good distance. Here's an awesome view of that storm. It stretches out for a pretty good distance. North of Victorville, south of Barstow. Look at that. Just to keep you guys up to date, that these storms are moving from east to west. So they're east of Victorville, they're moving towards Victorville, and eventually they might even reach Palmdale or Little Rock. So these storms are located east of Victorville, a little west of Lucerne Valley. These storms are moving towards Victorville. That storm blew up. That thing blew up. Look at the wall of water that's coming down. That thing blew up. You could feel the wind from that storm. Just down the street from where I'm driving right now, that's where the heavy stuff is at. We're seeing a little downpour right here in Hysteria. We're seeing a pretty good downpour here in Hysteria. I have the location wrong the whole time. So this storm was over Apple Valley. But wow. Heading towards Lucerne Valley on Highway 18. That's another large thunderstorm. And then over here to my left, you have another smaller storm that is developing right now. Getting closer to Lucerne Valley, there's a big thunderstorm on Highway 18 just south of Lucerne Valley, and then there's a little clear gap over here, and then looking to my left, there's another storm on Highway 247. I think it's east of it. I gotta check my radar one more time to confirm that. So I'm next to that storm, and we're seeing some big raindrops. They're huge. Hear that sound when it hits the windshield. Look at the rain that is falling horizontally. This is a downdraft. In other words, it's a microburst. Look at the gust of wind. Holy crap, look at this. Big raindrops to severe weather is right there. Wow. Because this is incredible. Look at the wind. You can see that line of storm just stretching out. I don't want to get out of the car because I don't feel safe around this area, but I had to get this on tape. This is just incredible. That was not there 10 minutes ago. That was not here 10 minutes ago. This place is getting hot right now. Little bird thanks to the rain, but this was not there 10 minutes ago. I'll tell you that much right now. That was not there. I can't see a single thing. No more than half a mile. I can't see a thing anymore. That storm is nasty. I decided to pull over again. And just to show you guys how strong these winds are as well, dust is starting to pick up over there. That's a little dust storm over there. And if these winds continue at the rate that they are right now, we could be seeing a decent dust storm.